Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some gaming on the TCL Stylus 5G. Stay locked in with me. Okay guys, we're going to take a look at the gameplay on the TCL Stylus 5G. You can see it goes up to smooth and ultra frame rate. We're rocking the Dimensity 700 7nm processing chip clocked in at 2.2 gigahertz frequency. So as you can see, it's moving really fast. It's moving really quickly. This thing,
blue team has scored for the first time.
This thing will pack dual speakers. I just want to mention that. Wow, that's crazy. So I got my first kill. We got first blood. It has the ARM Mali G57, which is really good. 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 of storage. It's performing really good right now. This is performing extremely good. Oh man, I tried to creep up on him. So far I'm really impressed, guys, with the way that this is moving. It's a 7nm processing chip too, which means it's going to be really good. Frame rates on here are really clean. Really clean graphics. So I'm going to jump into the next game right now. But let me just play one more little segment here so you can get a feel. Alright, so that was pretty crazy. So the next game we're going to play is NBA Live. I'm going to just jump into a quick game right here. So this does have, inside of this thing, it's going to actually have a gyroscope, compass, accelerometer, light sensor as well. Quick layup package. Ooh, the post package. He sold out. Okay, cool. So as far as the loudness, it does get really loud. I just put it up on full volume so you can hear that a little bit better. Get the assist real quick. No complaints whatsoever. This thing is running through the gameplay really clean. But I just wanted to show you, ooh, nice mid-range shot. Alright, let's play one more little segment right here, and then I'll jump into the next game for you guys to check it out. Wow, that was crazy. Alright, here we go. Oh, that should have been cash. Alright, so I'm down big right now. Get the cookies. Oh, that's 8 seconds. Give me that. What I also like about this device is it has the game box, so I could choose from my games right here. I'm gonna jump into some Jumanji Run real quick. All right, let's check this thing out real quick. But this thing has a beautiful display, 395 for the pixels per inch, 1080 by 2460, S Pen included. It has Dino Rex glass on this thing, so it's like a new technology that I've never heard of. Very responsive so far. This thing has a lot of power with the Dimensity 700, 7nm processing speeds on here. Really quick, it's clocked in at 2.2 gigahertz. So you're gonna be able to pretty much play all your games on this device. Let's go. I'm just gonna keep going until I die. I might die like probably in a few, but so far the performance is so good. It's very responsive to the touch. You get a little vibration haptic feedback on here as well. Whenever like something happens, you can kind of feel a vibration happen. So I like that part about it. All right, so let's jump into the next game. So the next game we're gonna play is Need for Speed No Limits. And what I really like about this device is the stereo speakers, also the S Pen too. All right, here we go, guys. Let's just jump into some quick gameplay. It's my first race in my career mode here. You can see the gyroscope. All you have to do is tilt to turn. The bottom speaker is easy to cover up. If you cover that up, it will. You could still hear it from the top speaker. I got a lot of damage just now, but we got first place. So let's just jump into the next game real quick. So the next game I want to play is Battle Prime. Another thing that I like about this device is it's running Android 12 right out of the box. It has a huge 6.81-inch display, which is pretty crazy. All right, so let's just jump into this. This is one of my favorite shooting games because it's kind of like Call of Duty. It's kind of like PUBG. We'll play Call of Duty right after this so I can show you how it operates on Call of Duty. But let me just enter the game mode real quick and you can see I'm the blue team, I think. So the graphics on here are really responsive. And one of the things I noticed is that you can, wait, hold on, let me go back. Let me show you the graphics on here. I'll go right here. As far as the graphics, it does go up to, I believe, high graphics. Hold on. Here it is, custom gyroscope graphics.
Reloading.
I remember it being very high graphics that you can go up to.
Double kill.
Wow, that's crazy. This plays so good for a phone that's just under $300. It's really solid gameplay. Alright, so last segment here, and then we'll jump into the next game.
Slayer.
Ah, he got me. Alright, so Call of Duty is loading up right now at the moment, so let me pause it and wait for it to download all the packaging and the maps. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna play the Call of Duty mobile. Got the volume up, the dual speakers on board, so let's go to, basically the gyroscope is actually working on here. Graphics, you can do medium or high frame rate. Let's do high frame rate.
Contact with enemy. Target down. Target's inside. Enemy contact. Taking the lead. Enemy contact. Need backup.
Oh, that was crazy. Let's get right back into it. This plays really smooth. I can't emphasize enough how great the gameplay on here looks. It's really fast.
Tied for the lead. Enemy contact. Taking the lead. Enemy contact. Target's inside. Enemy contact.
Got him.
Contact with enemy. Enemy contact. Target down.
Okay, so the gameplay on here is really realistic. Really good colors on this display with the NXTVISION. So TCL is known for their TVs, and now they're actually doing really good with their smartphone division. This device plays really, really good. It's definitely a gaming phone.
Contact with enemy. Enemy down.
So I'm gonna jump into the next game, okay? So as you know, Genshin Impact takes a lot of storage up on the device, so let me just wait for this download to complete. Alright guys, so let's play some Genshin Impact on here. Let's go inside the temple. And it looks like the gameplay is gonna be even just as smooth as some of the other games that I was playing earlier on. But if you made it this far, just comment down below in the comment section and just say I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me real quick. Just do me that favor so I know you're still rocking with me. So let's go ahead and check out the gameplay on here.
I knew it. There is a strong elemental energy coming from deep within this temple. Paimon, are you able to float across?
Can't do much even if she does.
Let's ride this wind current, shall we?
So it looks like the graphics look really good on here.
Leave it to me. You're in for a little shock. You're in for a little shock.
Freeze.
Okay, so this is the part I always get stuck at.
No wonder. Let me try to activate it with a bit of electro power. Stand back, sweeties.
No escape.
So it says this can be released by tapping or charged holding with this button. Okay. When the skill is fully charged, release it and unleash the area attack, and basically dealing with the massive. So let me hold this button.
You've been a naughty boy.
try that one more time.
Come a little closer. Blitz.
Okay, so I guess I failed the mission, but the graphics do perform real well. Let's just jump into the next game. So all those are the games I wanted to test on the TCL Stylus 5G. The phone is a little bit warm, but it's not too hot. But hopefully you guys did find this video helpful in any way possible. If you did find it possible, hit the like button on down below and make sure you check out more videos just like this. And I'm going to get right back with you. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.